Human memory and emotions are impacted by the sense of smell, the smell of home-cooked food, the taste of our favorite drink, and the scent of our favorite perfume are often associated with memories. SMC is Pakistan's leading manufacturer of flavors and fragrances, committed to developing high-quality flavors and fragrances with over 100 years of experience. Situated near Lahore and nestled in a sprawling 2-acre estate, our state-of-the-art production facility is run by over 200 dedicated men and women. We work with over 1,000 raw materials every day to create thousands of flavors and fragrances. Our departments for flavors and fragrances are powered by automated production systems to complement our human workforce with precision and efficiency. Its accuracy of 5 mg at high dispensing speeds and a production capacity of 50 metric tons per day. With end-to-end traceability, we can track every drop going into our products. We have a unique flavor solution for every application. Our taste profiles cover the diverse flavoring requirements from savory to sweet in all kinds of consumer industries in these sectors. The R&D staff works in close liaison with the application laboratory to create innovative and compelling flavors and fragrances. This allows us to refine our creations to perfection, thus delivering the best of the best to our clients. Using reputable suppliers across the globe, we ensure the highest degree of quality and consistency. Respecting the law, maintaining high standards, and valuing our customers, these are the goals we strive for daily to ensure safe and high quality end results.